Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. We start with the gas tracker. Motorists will have to pay more for gasoline this week. Effective tomorrow, 87 and 90 gasoline will increase by $2.82 per litre. The price of automotive diesel oil is also going up. It will cost $2.73 more per litre. Now, ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by $2.58. Consumers will have to fork out 25 cents more for kerosene, while LPG, propane and butane will increase by $1.50 and $2.43 per litre respectively. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in March went up by 17 cents to settle at $53.89 a barrel. Kingston Wharves is launching a new initiative to enhance the development of local logistics and the port management sector. It's called the Grantley Stevenson Professorial Chair. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
For years, the local logistics industry has operated without the requisite research and data needed to maximize the full potential of the industry. All that is about to change through a partnership with the Kingston Wharves Limited, Caribbean Maritime University, and the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information.
We can predict when you're going to fail and how to, to provide better uptime. So it's about logistics cut across all areas, from the planning to the strategic level to the minute details about how can you improve the operation, save money, and bring greater value.
And while the industry charts a path led by research, there are still a few obstacles to overcome.
We have certain hurdles when you talk about structurally, because as a country we're divided into ministries, and this is how we tend to see processes. But from the international perspective, they want to see flow in and out. Nobody's interested which ministry you have to go to get the biggest stamp. These are some of the things that are changing. We have passed some legislation, we have made some strides. Of course, we still have a lot of work to do.
But those challenges can be solved. Professor Pinnock says data is the answer.
The whole market has gotten so complex. It's not about making goods and shipping it to the final consumer, but the final consumer is in a mass customized market. How can you deliver 1,000 products differently to 1,000 people? That's a challenge. That's the opportunity. And this is what Kingston Wharves is doing, and this is what we want through research, applied research, to help them to do better.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.69. The Canadian dollar closed at $104.58. The pound went for $175.23, while the euro is now being sold for $155.68 on average. The JSE index gained 1,532 points today, while the junior market index is up by 4 points. Among today's winners, 138 Student Living, Knutsford Express Services, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Victoria Mutual Investments, and Jamaica Broilers. Now on the losing side were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Lasco Distributors, Jamaican Teas, Everything Fresh, and Wisinko Group. That's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.